Namo Namaha. Welcome back, students, to yet another literature session of Sanskrit based on the chapter Paryavaranam. We have seen the half part of the lesson. In today's session, we are going to see the remaining part of it. So let's get started with the remaining part of the chapter Paryavaranam. Here is the Gadyamshaha. I'll read it out. सरितो गिरिनिर्झराश्च अमृतस्वादु निर्मलं जलं प्रयच्छन्ति वृक्षा लताश्च फलानि पुष्पाणि इंधनकाष्ठानि च बाहुल्येन समुपहरन्ति शीतलमन्दसुगन्धवनपवना औषधकल्पं प्राणवायुं वितरन्ति. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogaha from the given gadyamshaha. Words with sandhihi or sanyogaha are sarito girinirzarascha, vruksha latascha, and sheetala manda sugandha vanapavana aushadha kalpam. All the three are the examples of sandhihi. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Sarito giri nirzarascha, the dissolution is saritaha plus giri nirzaraha plus cha. Vruksha latascha, the dissolution is vrukshaha plus lataha plus cha. And Sheetala Manda Sugandha Vanapavana Aushadha Kalpam, the Sandhi Vichedaha is Sheetala Manda Sugandha Vanapavanaha plus Aushadha Kalpam. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. Sarito Girinirzarascha Amruta Swadu Nirmalan Jalam Prayachanti. Saritaha means rivers. Girinirjaraha means mountain streams. Amruta Swadu means tasty or sweet like nectar. Nirmalan Jalam, clean water. Prayachanti, give. The meaning of the sentence is rivers and mountain streams would give clean and nectar-like tasty or sweet water. Vrukshaha lataha cha falani pushpani indhanakashthani cha bahulyena samupaharanti. Vrukshaha trees, lataha creepers, falani fruits, pushpani flowers. Indhana kasthani means woods for fuel. Bahulyena, in abundance. Samupaharanti means give or provide. Trees and creepers would give fruits, flowers and woods for fuel in abundance. Sheetala manda sugandha vanapavanaha औषधकल्पं प्राणवायुं वितरन्ति. Sheetala manda sugandha vanapavanaha means cool, gentle and fragrant forest breeze. Aushadhakalpam means that which is like medicine or tonic. Pranavayum means oxygen. Vitaranti, provide. The cool, gentle and fragrant forest breeze would provide oxygen which is like medicine or tonic for us. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The words Amrutaswadu and Nirmalam are the Visheshane of the Vishesham Jalam, and Aushadhakalpam is the Visheshanam of the word Pranavayum. I hope you have understood this first Gadyamshaha. Now let me take you to the Agrimaha Gadyamshaha. Atrasti Agrimaha Gadyamshaha. Aham Gadyamsham Pathami. Parantu Swarthandho Manavah Tadeva Paryavaranam Adya Nashayati. Swalpalabhaya Jana Bahumulyani Vastuni Nashayanti. Janaha Yantragaranam Vishaktam Jalam Nadyam Nipatayanti. Tena Matsyadinam Jalacharanam cha Kshanenaiva Nasho Bhavati. Nadi Jalamapi Tat Sarvatha Peyam Jayate. Now, let's see the words with Sandhihi or Sanyogaha from the given Gadyamshaha. The words with Sandhihi or Sanyogaha are Swarthandho Manavaha Tadeva Jana Bahumulyani Kshanenaiva Nasho Bhavati Nadi Jalamapi and Tat Sarvatha Peyam. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Swarthandho Manavaha, the dissolution is Swarthandhaha plus Manavaha. Tadeva, the Sandhi Vichchedaha is Tat plus Eva. Jana Bahumulyani, the Sandhi Vichchedaha is Janaha plus Bahumulyani. Kshanenaiva, the dissolution is Kshanena plus Eva. Nasho Bhavati, the Sandhi Vichchedaha is Nashaha plus Bhavati. Nadi Jalamapi is the example of Sanyogaha and the dissolution is Nadi Jalam plus Api. Tat Sarvatha Peyam, the dissolution is Tat plus Sarvatha plus Apeyam. Tat plus Sarvatha is the example of Sanyogaha and Sarvatha plus Apeyam is the example of Sandhihi. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. Parantu Swarthandho Manavaha Tadeva Paryavaranam Adya Nashayati. Parantu, but Swarthandhaha Manavaha, man blinded by his selfishness. Tadeva Paryavaranam, the same environment. Adya, today, Nashayati is destroying. But man, blinded by his selfishness, is destroying the same environment today. Swalpalabhaya Jana Bahumulyani Vastuni Nashayanti. Swalpalabhaya, for small benefits. Janaha, people. Bahumulyani Vastuni, valuable things. Nashayanti, are destroying. People are destroying valuable things for small benefits. Janaha Yantragaranam Vishaktam Jalam Nadyam Nipatayanti. Janaha, people. Yantragaranam, of factories. Vishaktam Jalam, toxic water. Nadyam Nipatayanti, release into rivers. People release toxic water of factories into rivers. Tena Matsyadinam Jalacharanam cha Kshanenaiva Nasho Bhavati. Tena, by that. Matsyadinam, Matsya means fish. Adinam, etc. Jalacharanam, of aquatic creatures. Kshanenaiva, within seconds. Nashaha Bhavati, get destroyed. And by that, aquatic creatures like fish etc. get destroyed within seconds. Nadi Jalamapi Tat Sarvatha Apeyam Jayate. Nadi jalam api, the water of the rivers. Api, also. Sarvatha, quite. Apeyam, unfit for drinking. Jayate, becomes. The water of the rivers also becomes quite unfit for drinking. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Swarthantha is the Visheshanam of the word Manavaha. Bahumulyani is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Vastuni. Vishaktam is the Visheshanam of the word Jalam. And Apeyam is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Nadi Jalam. Students, this next Gadyamshaha is big, so I have divided it into two parts. We have seen the first part of it. Now let's see the next part. Here is the Gadyamshaha. I'll read it out. Manavaha vyapara vardhanaya vanavrukshan nirvivekan chindanti. Tasmat avrushtihi pravardhate. Vanapashavascha sharanarahita grameshu upadravam vidadhati. Shuddha vayurapi vrukshakartanat sankatapanno jayate. एवं ही स्वार्थांध मानवैः विकृतिम उपगता प्रकृतिः एव सर्वेषां विनाशकर्त्री भवति. विकृतिमुपगते पर्यावरणे विविधाः रोगाः भीषणसमस्याश्च सम्भवन्ति. तत्सर्वमिदानीं चिन्तनीयं प्रतिभाति. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the words with Sandhihi or Sanyogah from the given Gadyamshaha. The words with Sandhihi or Sanyogah are Vanapashavascha, Sharanarahita Grameshu, Shuddha Vayurapi, Sankatapanno Jayate, Vikrutimupagate, Bhishana Samasyascha, and Tatsarvamidanim. Now let's see the dissolution of these words. Vanapashavascha, the dissolution is Vanapashavaha plus cha. Sharanarahita grameshu, the sandhi vichhedaha is Sharanarahitaha plus grameshu. Shuddha vayurapi, the dissolution is Shuddha vayuhu plus api. Sankatapanno jayate, the sandhi vichhedaha is Sankatapannah plus jayate. Vikrutimupagate is the example of Sanyogaha and the dissolution is Vikrutim plus upagate. Bhishana samasyascha, the sandhi vichhedaha is Bhishana samasyaha plus cha. Tatsarvamidanim is the example of Sanyogaha and the dissolution is Tat plus Sarvam plus Idanim. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. Manavaha vyapara vardhanaya vanavrukshan nirvivekan chindanti. Manavaha, human beings. Vyapara vardhanaya, for developing industries. Vanavrukshan means forest trees. Nirvivekam, irrationally. Chindanti, cut. The meaning of the sentence is human beings cut forest trees irrationally for developing industries. Tasmat avrushtihi pravardhate. Vanapashavascha sharanarahita grameshu upadravam vidadhati. Tasmat, due to which. Avrushtihi means famine. Pravardhate, increases. Due to which famine increases. Vanapashavaha cha. Vanapashavah means wild animals. Sharanarahitaha, shelterless. Sharanarahitaha vanapashavah means shelterless wild animals. Grameshu, in villages. Upadravam vidadhati, create trouble. The meaning of the sentence is, due to which famine increases and shelterless wild animals create trouble in villages. शुद्धवायुरपि वृक्षकर्तनात् संकटापन्नो जायते. शुद्धवायुः, clean air. वृक्षकर्तनात्, due to cutting of trees. संकटापन्नः जायते means is reduced. The meaning of the sentence is, even clean air is reduced due to cutting of trees. एवं हि स्वार्थान्धमानवैः विकृतिम् उपगता प्रकृतिः एव सर्वेषां विनाशकर्त्री भवति. एवं हि, thus, स्वार्थान्धमानवैः, by selfish human beings, विकृतिम् उपगता प्रकृतिः. विकृतिम् उपगता, deteriorated. प्रकृतिः, nature. सर्वेषां, of all. Vinashakartri means destroyer. Bhavati, has become. The meaning of the sentence is, thus nature deteriorated by the selfish human beings has become the destroyer of all. विकृतिमुपगते पर्यावरणे विविधाः रोगाः भीषणसमस्याश्च सम्भवन्ति. Vikrutimupagate, that which has got deteriorated. Paryavarane, environment. Vividhaha rogaha, various diseases. Bhishana samasyaha cha, and severe problems. Sambhavanti, occur. Vikrutimupagate paryavarane, as a result of the deteriorated environment, vividhaha rogaha, various diseases, and bhishana samasyaha, severe problems occur. Tat sarvamidanim chintaniyam pratibhati. Tat sarvam, all of this, idanim, now, chintaniyam pratibhati, is a cause of concern. Now, all of this is a cause of concern. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Sharanarahitaha is the Visheshanam of the word Vanapashavaha. Sankatapannah is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Shuddhavayuhu. Upagata is the Visheshanam of the word Prakrutihi. Upagate is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Paryavarane, and Vividhaha is the Visheshanam of the word Rogaha. Students, now let me take you to an important form used in the Gadyamshaha. It is Upagata. It has upasargaha plus gam dhatuhu plus kta pratyayah. Students, I would like to conclude the discussion here. We will meet again with the next part of the chapter. Dhanyavadaha. Punarmilamaha.